In this video I'll demonstrate how to disassemble and reassemble the T-Mobile LG G2x P999. Before you disassemble your handset, you want to make sure to remove all SIM cards. And the battery. You'll then need to remove all the rear housing screws. This unit, it's already been done, so I won't be showing that step. It's fairly straightforward. You just need to remove every screw. Okay, so once you got that done, go ahead and either using a flathead screwdriver or a cell phone prying tool, just want to push up right here. And remove some of the rear housing. And this bottom piece you can just pull out by hand. Okay, now you want to start disconnecting all the flex cables, the antenna, anything holding the PCB board to the mid chassis you want disconnected. Even the camera, rear facing camera. Don't worry about disconnecting the other end of the cable. Let's leave that on. This piece is a separate piece from the PCB board. And it is your SIM card and SD card assembly. Also looks like your LED flash is there. So it's a separate component from the PCB board. Headphone jack. Yeah, I think it's attached. We're going to leave it in. You do want to remove this spacer right here. So you got that. Because you are going to want to separate, to get to the LCD you'll have to separate the this mid chassis from the front housing. Like this. This is your digitizer right here. Okay, we'll go ahead and pull that off too. There we go. So this unit is your LCD. Front facing camera. Now to fully remove your LCD, you just pull it up, comes right out. This right here is your volume rocker. cable comes right down into here. This unit's your digitizer. That's it. Okay, now we're going to reassemble everything. Make sure you get all the dust off of the I'm still working on this unit, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but when you reassemble your handset, you want them completely cleaned out in there. Okay. Put your put your front facing camera back in. Put this mid chassis bottom end first. The reason you'll do that is this USB port sticks out a little bit. And if you look right here, it's very thin and easy to bend when you try to put it on like this. So you want to make sure it's in there like that. And then close it. Okay. And lay down your digitizer flex cable. Put that spacer back in. See the hole right there? It goes right over that peg right there. Just like this. Okay, now start reattaching all the flex cables. And go ahead and reinsert the rear facing camera. And putting on the top portion of the rear housing, you want to put it in at an angle like this. Okay. Push it straight on. This piece just goes right back in. Alright, now before you reinstall all the rear housing screws, go ahead and power the unit on. Make sure it's functioning and working correctly. This unit has power button issues. I don't recommend you do this on your phone. I'm just doing this because I want to make sure it's working correctly. Alright, looks like the power button's completely give. So I won't be able to demonstrate this one working because the power button's out. I need to replace it. But that's how you disassemble and reassemble the LG G2X. Not very complicated. It's actually pretty straightforward. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, or you can contact us at www.pugetsoundelectronics.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.